Feeling drained in Temu's hat trick and need a burst of energy? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to pump up those energy levels in just a minute. First, take a look at your current energy bar. Super low, right? Let's fix that. There are multiple ways to get energy. The easiest way is to invite your friends. See that invite friends button, tap it. This will bring up several ways to share your referral link. You can send it via text, email, or even copy the link and paste it directly into your social media. Each successful invite grants you a good energy boost. Now, explore other Temu activities, sometimes completing daily tasks, visiting specific sections of the app, or checking in daily gives you bonus energy for hat trick and other games. Keep an eye on notifications for special energy events too. Last tip, don't hoard your energy. Use it strategically to flip cards and move closer to winning. Playing actively unlocks more opportunities to earn additional energy as rewards for progress. Good luck.